How people save money in Africa. Lessons from Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa. Think saving money is tough. In Africa, people have developed ingenious methods to stretch every dollar. From mobile banking revolutions to community savings groups, these strategies are both innovative and effective. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the unique ways people in Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa save money. These methods are not only practical, but also offer valuable lessons for anyone looking to improve their financial habits. Mobile money platforms. In Nigeria, platforms like Paga have transformed the way people handle money, allowing for easy savings and transactions without traditional banks. Community savings groups. Many Nigerians participate in informal savings groups, pooling resources to support each member's financial goals. Financial education. There's a growing emphasis on financial literacy, with initiatives aimed at teaching budgeting and saving from a young age. Business Empires. Africa M-Pesa. Kenya's M-Pesa system enables users to save, send, and receive money via mobile phones, revolutionizing access to financial services. Savings accounts. A significant portion of Kenyans utilize savings accounts and fixed-term deposits to manage their finances. Budgeting practices. Simple budgeting tools and practices are widely adopted to track expenses and plan for the future. Stokvels. These are community-based savings groups where members contribute regularly and take turns receiving lump sums, fostering collective financial support. Youth savings initiatives, programs. Targeting young adults emphasize the importance of saving early, with tools like grocery vouchers and end-of-year expense stamps. Financial planning. There's a strong culture of financial planning, with many South Africans prioritizing saving a portion of their income before spending. These African saving methods highlight the power of community and innovation in financial management. Which of these strategies would you consider adopting? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into global financial practices.